दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल जनरल नॉलेज 2.0 जीके में। आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए ताकि आपको आने वाले वीडियो भी जल्दी जल्दी मिलते रहें। आइए शुरू करते हैं। ब्रास इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ विच टू मेटल्स? आंसर कॉपर एंड जिंक। व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ ब्रिक्स बैंक? Answer NDB, New Development Bank. Brightest star in our sky? Answer Dog Star or Sirius A. When British decide to grant independence to India? Answer 1947. British rule was ended on which year? Answer 1947. Buddha attained enlightenment at? Answer Bodh Gaya. Bulb filament is made up of? Answer tungsten. Capital of Gujarat is? Answer Gandhinagar. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh is? Answer Itanagar. Capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli is? Answer Silvassa. Capital of Jammu and Kashmir in summer? Answer Srinagar. Capital of Manipur? Answer Imphal. Capital of Nagaland? Answer Kohima. CBSE's latest mobile application for providing e-learning material is called? Answer eCBSE. CDM stands for? Cash Deposit Machine. CEC stands for in India? Answer Chief Election Commission. Charminar Monument in which city? Answer Hyderabad. Chemical name of baking soda? Answer sodium bicarbonate. Chemotherapy is used for treatment of? Answer cancer. Chenab, Jhelum are tributaries of which river? Answer Indus. Check validity remains for? Answer 3 months. Chera dynasty ruled which states of India? Answer Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Chief Justice of India retirement age? Answer 65 years. Clouds are made up of what? Answer water. CMOS stands for in computer? Complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Combination of star, which type of gas? Answer mostly hydrogen and helium. Common salt chemical formula? Answer NaCl. Computer mouse invented by? Douglas Engelbart. Computer shortcut key to get help menu? Answer F1. Constitution Day of India is celebrated on? Answer 26th November. Which country got independence in 2011? Answer South Sudan. Cristiano Ronaldo belongs to which country? Answer: Portugal. Where is saffron cultivated in India? Answer: Kashmir. Currency of Bangladesh is? Answer: Taka. Cuttack is situated on which river? Answer: Mahanadi. DNA. Who discovered the diploid horoscope of? Answer: Watson and Crick. Dada Sahab Phalke Award belongs to which field? Answer: Cinema. Date of partition of India was? Answer: 15th August 1947. By what name is the India-China Agreement signed in 1954? Answer: Panchsheel Agreement. By what name is the Indo-Pak border line is called? Answer: Red Cliff Line. By what process is cream made from milk? Answer: Centrifugal force. First man to go to space? Answer: Yuri Gagarin. By which constitution amendment fundamental duties were added to the constitution? Answer: 42nd. By which constitutional amendment education was made a fundamental right for children between the ages of 6 to 14? Answer: 86th Amendment. By which constitutional amendment Panchayati Raj system was implemented? Answer: 73rd. By which constitutional amendment the voting age was reduced from 21 years to 18 years? Answer: 61 Amendment. By which device mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy? Answer: dynamo. By which method is the transmission of heat from the sun to the earth? Answer: radiation. By which organ of human body is urea filtered from blood? Answer: kidney. दोस्तों आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए और चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। अपने दोस्तों को भी ये वीडियो फॉरवर्ड करें ताकि वो भी जान सकें हमारे आने वाले वीडियो के बारे में, उनको जल्दी जानकारी मिले। अगले वीडियो में फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए दोस्तों जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।